data by removing duplicates, handling missing values, and correcting errors. You'll also transform your data, maybe normalizing values, encoding categories, or scaling features. So it's ready for your AI model. Feature engineering, where you create new variables from existing data, can make a huge difference in your model's performance. This stage can be time-consuming and sometimes tedious, but it's absolutely essential. Many data scientists spend the majority of their time here, because well-prepared data lays the foundation for strong, reliable results. Think of it like prepping ingredients before cooking. A chef knows that careful preparation leads to a better dish. The more effort you put into gathering and prepping your data, the better your AI's outcome will be. Don't skip this step. Now let's pick the right AI model. Match your model to your problem regression for predicting values, classification for sorting into categories. Don't get overwhelmed. Start simple and experiment. Tons of resources can help you compare algorithms and their strengths. Test a few models to see what fits best. Remember, experimentation is key. Time to build. Start with a quick prototype. Don't aim for perfection yet. Get something running fast so you can gather feedback and iterate. Test rigorously with different datasets and metrics. Early testing catches issues before they become big problems. Speed and feedback are your best friends here. Your model's ready. Now it's time to deploy it into the real world. This is the moment where all your hard work comes to life, as your AI solution starts making real-time decisions and delivering value. But remember, deployment is just the beginning of your model's journey. Once your model is live, you need to keep a close eye on its performance. Monitoring is crucial. Track key metrics, watch for unexpected changes, and make sure your model is delivering the results you expect. Don't let your guard down after deployment. One major challenge is data drift. Real-world data can shift over time, which may impact your model's accuracy and reliability. If the data your model sees starts to look different from what it was trained on, its predictions might become less trustworthy. That's why it's important to be proactive. Regularly review your model's outputs and be ready to tweak, update, or even retrain your model as new data comes in. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Think of your model like a satellite orbiting Earth. Launching it is just the first step. Just as mission control constantly monitors and adjusts a satellite to keep it on course, you need to actively manage your AI model to ensure it stays effective and reliable. Stay vigilant, keep monitoring, and your model will continue to deliver value and remain trustworthy in a changing world. That's your 5-minute crash course in AI engineering. Define, gather, model, prototype, deploy, and monitor. Now it's your turn. Start building, experiment, and have fun. Share your projects or questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns. Peace.